Having smooth skin may seem like one of the hardest things to achieve, especially if you have been trying for a long time. If you are prone to acne, you know what a chore this can be. But it may not be so hard to make your skin look smooth. You may have been going about it the wrong way. For example, if you have regular outbreaks of acne, and you wash your face with a cloth, you may have inadvertently been aggravating it. What kind of cloth do you use? How often do you wash your face? Do you bath with hot or cold water? What skincare products do you use? And what type of skin do you have? There is the all-important skincare routine you use. There are some that are said to be the best to follow. Just like there is no one type of skin, one type of routine may not fit everyone. If you don't have one already, this video will show you its importance and what it takes. You can personalize it or follow an effective but general routine. 1. Skin type. The skin comes in different types, as most of us are aware. For some, it is difficult to know where your skin type truly lies. This makes finding the perfect products hard. Believe it or not, it is not rocket science. It goes without saying that knowing your skin type is one of the most important steps to having smoother skin. Skin types range from dry to oily, with other types between, as well as extreme cases. You could have very dry, normal, sensitive, or oily skin. You could also have combination skin, which could be a combination of oily and dry skin, dry and sensitive, oily and sensitive, and so on. Having a good knowledge of this will help you know the cleanser or face wash, toner optional, and moisturizer to go for. Always look at the label of the product you want to buy to ascertain if it is fit for your skin. And this will get you well on your way to having a smooth skin. 2. Skincare routine. Do you have a regular skincare routine? Many people don't, but it is an important part of making your skin look smooth. This helps to get your skin acquainted with the products and a certain type of pampering at different times of the day. Make sure you maintain a regular skincare routine that works for your skin type. The routine doesn't have to be anything elaborate or complicated. It could be as simple as washing and cleansing your face, exfoliating, and moisturizing. These are part of the process that feed good nutrients to your skin and encourage collagen production, which keeps your skin plump and young looking. What to do? It is important you wash your face 2 times a day to remove the dirt accumulated during the day. Do this once in the early morning and once at night before going to bed. The beauty of washing your face this way is that, for some people, it gives a smoother skin. Always choose the right cleanser or scrub for your face. Facial skin is delicate. So, it is important to keep facial treatment mild and easy. Then, exfoliate at least 3 times a week. This will ensure that there are no residues of dead skin cells to keep your products from being effective. Exfoliating is a basic skincare routine and not something you cast to the side. Moisturizing is an important part of the whole deal, especially for dry skin. If you are truly looking for smoother skin, then moisture plays a major role in giving you this. It keeps the skin plump, creates a protective barrier to keep pollutants out, and traps moisture within the skin for longer periods. Moreover, it is known to sit well under makeup, be it washable makeup, waterproof makeup, or mineral makeup. As long as you use a good moisturizer and want to succeed at it, you are making progress. Additionally, protect your skin from sun rays as much as possible. The effect of UVA and UVB rays to your skin is fatal if not checked. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with a value of not less than 30 anytime you have to step out under the sun or have a prolonged stay under it. 3. Using makeup. Another way to get your skin looking smooth is by using makeup. Yes, most of what we see on our TV screens are products of professional makeup artists. Using the right concealers, primers, foundations, bronzers, and all that will give your skin the same glass-like smoothness that seems to evade many. But there are some downsides to this method. First is the time it would take you to get this look every day. Nobody really has that to spare regularly. Second is the effect of regular makeup on your face daily. It may not show now, but in the long run, it will. The third is having to spend so much money on these products. If you are going to use them so much every day, you are going to run out of products quickly and have to replace them frequently. Fourth is having to touch up several times during the day so the smoothness doesn't wear off halfway through. These are not all there is, but they will give you an idea of what you will have to go through if you decide to go the way of makeup. You could also try a chemical peel. It works, but it costs money and isn't a one-time procedure. Besides, you will need downtime to recover. 4. The natural route. Apart from using the best skincare products, you could opt to go the natural way. For some people, using natural ingredients has proved most effective, and you could be among them. Hardly has anyone gone wrong with using the appropriate natural products, so you could try to find out which works. Drink about 4 liters of water daily, at least. This helps hydrate the skin from within, even though it has not been scientifically proven. However, you find that when you drink water regularly, you look and feel generally better. Use aloe vera to moisturize and combat excess oil. It is particularly effective for oily and acne-prone skin to keep the production of oil in check. You could also try a mixture of milk, honey, and sugar as a face treatment. These ingredients are powerful anti-inflammatory agents and antioxidants. Some of the best skincare treatments contain 2 of these ingredients or all of them. It doesn't have to be chemicals and synthetic materials. Naturally derived methods work too. How can I get smooth skin overnight? Unless you previously had it and suddenly had a breakout, it may more than a night to get it smooth. Depending on what your skin looks like, time and consistency with the proper product will help. However, there are few simple things you could do if your skin has a sudden blemish attack or you need it to look smooth for the next day. Few tips to get skin looking smooth overnight. Never skip washing your face or showering every night with warm water, not hot. Hot water strips the skin of protective natural oils and dries it out. Warm water gets the grime out without drying out your skin. Use a mild cleanser suitable for your type of skin. And always use a moisturizer even if your skin is oily. It helps with smoothing the skin and keeping it hydrated. Make sure you keep your hands away from your face once you are done with your routine. Get a good night's sleep free of interruptions. Having a good sleep is very important. Apart from giving you a glow, it helps reduce the appearance of under-eye dark circles. It is important you don't use too many products on the face, so you don't make matters worse. Your facial skin gets easily irritated, so keep it simple. There is really no easy way to achieve this, except your skin has always been smooth and you just want smoother skin. How can I make my face clear and smooth? Like most other things, time is important in achieving this. If you are looking for how to make your skin look smooth, you need to remember this. Your face is the first thing people notice about you, so your need to have it free of blemishes is understandable. Follow a skincare routine, especially one that works for you. If you don't have one already, create it and stick to it doggedly. Avoid touching your face constantly so that you don't feed it with bacteria. Exfoliate often to prevent dead skin cells from caking and blocking your pores. Exfoliation also helps to discourage rough skin from appearing. If you are prone to acne, use hypoallergenic cleansers and face washes. And also incorporate salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide into your regular routine, whichever works for you. These are known to combat acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Your skin will be all the better. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button below. And turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, drop your comments so that we'll know your thought. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, skincareproductsguide.com, for more awesome skincare content like this. Thanks for watching.